Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This simple and short video is all about fixing the issue with Instagram. Whenever you open the application, you got the error, we restrict certain activity to prevent our community. Try again later. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In order to fix out this particular issue, you need to open the Instagram application. Now in the Instagram application, right in the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon, and over here you will find the option of edit profile. Go ahead and click on the option edit profile. Now first of all, in the bio section, if you have tagged any username by typing @key or any hashtag, you must remove it from your bio. For example, at my end I have tagged YouTube, so I'll go ahead and remove it. Once you remove the YouTube, go ahead and click on the option done to completely remove any tagged username, any tagged user, or to fix out the issue of we restrict certain activity to protect our community. Now if this method failed to work out, in next step you need to remove the links also from your profile. So again, right in the edit profile section, you will find the option of links. Go ahead and click on it. Whatever links you have created, you need to click on each of the link and choose the option remove link. Make sure you remove all the link that you have added into your profile icon. Once you remove the profile link as well as tagged user from your bio, the issue of we restrict certain activity to protect our community will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.